This is just a short video because somebody asked me, well, if I am not identified with my personality, my physical self, my name, and what I do, what would I say I am? If somebody would ask, who are you? And I would say to you the words that Jesus said to his apostles when he sent them to spread the knowledge of God that he had revealed to them. And they said, who do we say we are? Or where do we come from? If we don't come from the place where we were born. And Jesus said to them, I said beautiful words. So I always remember these words. They're very beautiful. He said, if they ask you, where do you come from? Tell them, we come from the place where the light gave origin to itself. And if they ask you then, well, who are you? Tell them, we are children of the light, children of the living God. And if then they ask you, and what is the sign that you have of that in you? Tell them, a movement and a rest. And this is all there is to it. You don't have to say more. You said everything. That's all I wanted to say in this video. It's an identification with our true original self. And these are the words of Jesus to his apostles. So I give them to you. Until the next time.